Righto, so we're going to do the service on this. We already pulled the cross brace off, so it just went from here across to protect it, whatever. I'm going to try and do it without taking the exhaust off. Might not be. Yeah, I don't think it would be very beneficial. Maybe a little bit. We'll see how we go. So we're going to drop off these bolts, let the fluid come out, pull that down, hopefully pull this pan out, pull the filter out, change the gasket, clean it all up and put it back together. So we'll get these bolts out. We've got pretty much all the bolts out apart from the last two, just to let the fluid run down. We'll just give it a bit of a clean up. Thing needs to be spotless, so give that a very thorough clean. Okay, so we've got the pan all cleaned up and we've got the filter back in. It actually bolts into this one, so hopefully that goes in there plumb. And then just a quick wipe down on the bottom of the case. I was able to get the pan out by pulling it out this way and then sliding it out to the side. So we'll go back in and up and on. Alright, so we've got our fluid. I'm going to pump it into the side of the box, and the temp on the side here says set between 30 and 50. We're at 27 degrees already today, so we'll get this pumped in until it starts sort of dripping out the side here, and then once it drips out, we'll get up, we'll start it, we'll pull it through all the gears, reverse, neutral, drive, neutral, reverse, park, a couple of seconds in each, and then we'll come down and we'll set the level, and by the time that we've done all that, the fluid will be up to temperature and it'll be a good thing. So in the car's running, reverse, you can feel it pull a gear, so that's good. We know the fluid's moving. Neutral, drive. Again, we can hear the RPM change, can feel the engine load up. Now we'll go down there and check the level. So I just want to let it run out like that. The level is in there. And that's perfectly set.